There's a moment in every journey when it feels like the weight of the world is pressing down on you. You wake up tired, your energy spent, your dreams feeling more distant than ever. The truth is, no one tells you how hard it will be. No one warns you about the loneliness of the grind. And in these moments, you'll be tempted to quit. To walk away, tell yourself it's not worth it. But what if you didn't? What if you decided to keep going even when it seems impossible? What if you didn't quit? The loneliness of this struggle is real. You're doing your best, but it feels like no one sees it. The world keeps moving while you're stuck in this cycle of effort and exhaustion. It's easy to get lost in the quiet moments when no one is watching, to doubt yourself, to ask, why am I still doing this? What's the point if no one notices? But here's the thing, the world doesn't always notice what's happening behind the scenes, and that's okay. You don't need anyone to see your hustle. You just need to remember why you started in the first place. And then there's the voice of doubt. It's the voice that gets louder with every setback. The one that whispers in your ear, you're not enough. Look at them. Why are you even trying? You don't have what it takes. This voice shows up when things don't go according to plan. It's always there, lurking, trying to pull you back. But here's the thing you need to understand. Doubt isn't the enemy. Doubt is a part of the journey. You can't outrun it, but you can choose how to face it. There's a decision. A single moment when you decide, no, I'm not giving up, not today. It's the moment when you tell the voice of doubt to be quiet. The moment when you realize that every second you fight to keep going, you're building something stronger inside of you. It's not about having it all figured out. It's about showing up, even when you're unsure, even when it seems pointless. It's about the courage to take that next step when the road is still unclear. And it's in those moments of pain that we find our true power. Pain isn't the end. Pain is the crucible. It's the fire that forges your will. Your strength doesn't come from avoiding the hard things. It comes from facing them head on. The moment when you push through the pain and keep going, that's when transformation happens. That's when you become someone who doesn't just talk about their dreams. They take action. Resilience is more than just getting through the tough times. It's about bouncing back. It's about using every setback as fuel for your fire. There are no shortcuts. There's no easy way out. But the beauty of resilience is this. It's in every single one of us. We all have the ability to rise, even when we're knocked down. And when you keep going, when you show up time and time again, you start to realize you are stronger than you ever imagined. We all carry within us a strength we don't always recognize. The strength to rise, the strength to keep going. It's not about perfection. It's about persistence. It's about knowing that the road is long, but every step is a victory in itself. The person you become in the process is worth more than the goal you're reaching for. And when you reach the end, when you've given everything you have and crossed that finish line, you'll understand what it truly means to never quit. And then, that moment, the breakthrough, the moment when everything you've worked for finally aligns, when the struggles, the pain, the doubts, all of it becomes worth it. But here's the thing, success isn't the real victory. The real victory is what you've learned along the way, the strength you've built, the resilience you've discovered, the person you've become. So ask yourself, one last time, what if you didn't quit?